Solar energy is one of the most fascinating and promising sources of renewable energy available to us today. Imagine harnessing the power of the sun, a massive ball of energy that produces more power in 1 hour than the entire world uses in a year. That's right. The sun is a powerhouse, and we're just beginning to tap into its potential. At its core, solar energy is the conversion of sunlight into electricity. This is primarily done through solar panels, which are made up of photovoltaic cells. These cells capture sunlight and convert it into direct current electricity. When this electricity is passed through an inverter, it gets transformed into the alternating current that powers our homes and businesses. It's a simple yet brilliant process that allows us to utilize a clean, renewable resource. One of the most compelling aspects of solar energy is its environmental impact. Unlike fossil fuels, which release harmful greenhouse gases and contribute to climate change, solar energy is clean and sustainable. By switching to solar, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint and help combat global warming. It's a win-win situation. We get energy and the planet gets a break. Now, let's talk about the economics of solar energy. While the initial investment in solar panels can seem daunting, the long-term savings are substantial. Many homeowners report reduced electricity bills, and in some cases, they can even sell excess energy back to the grid. With advancements in technology, the cost of solar panels has dropped dramatically over the past decade, making it more accessible than ever. Plus, there are often tax incentives and rebates available that can help offset those initial costs. Solar energy isn't just for homes. It's also being utilized on a larger scale. Solar farms are popping up across the country, harnessing sunlight to power thousands of homes. These large installations can produce significant amounts of energy, contributing to the grid and helping to meet our growing energy demands. It's exciting to think about how solar energy can play a crucial role in our transition to a more sustainable energy future. Of course, solar energy does have its challenges. One of the main concerns is the intermittency of sunlight. Solar panels generate electricity only when the sun is shining, which means we need effective energy storage solutions to ensure a reliable power supply. Battery technology is advancing rapidly, and innovations like solar batteries are making it possible to store excess energy for use during cloudy days or at night. Another challenge is the space required for solar installations. While rooftops can be a great option for residential solar, larger solar farms need significant land. However, creative solutions are emerging, such as installing solar panels on brownfields or even floating them on bodies of water. These innovative approaches can help minimize land use while maximizing energy production. In conclusion, solar energy represents a bright future for our planet. It's a clean, renewable resource that can help us reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and combat climate change. With ongoing advancements in technology and decreasing costs, solar energy is becoming an increasingly viable option for individuals and communities alike. Embracing solar energy not only benefits us today, but also paves the way for a more sustainable tomorrow. The sun is shining, and it's time we harness its power for a better future.